Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create views in Tekla structures. Okay, I have explained a step-by-step process of this create views in this PDF. If you need this PDF, please join my channel and please subscribe my channel and join my channel and take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide my email address in the description and on the screen also. Please take a screenshot and send to my email address. I will provide this PDF example. I will provide this PDF directly to your mail. Okay. Let's start. Open Tekla structures with Indian environment. In previous tutorial, I have explained how to create grids in Tekla structures. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create views. Okay, open Tekla structures with Indian environment, and now to create a views, you need to select the grid, right-click on mouse, create views along grid lines. You need to type here the title, plan at 0, and elevation. These zy and xz are the elevation, so you need to enter here x elevation. So elevation on grid. Similarly here also elevation on grid. Now you need to create here, create. You can see now we have elevation on grid and plan also available here. Click on OK and click on OK. Okay, that's it. Now open view list. You can use this option. You can see create view list. Control plus I is the shortcut, so Control I to open view list. For example, if you want to see the view elevation on grid 1, that means the elevation on grid 1 like this. So click on here to open. This is the elevation on grid 1 like this. You can see elevation on grid 1. You can see 4,500 and 4,000. This spacing should be 4,500 and 4,000, and this is the elevation levels 0 and 3,000 for 7,000, like in our example, previous example, 0, 3,000, 7,000. Okay. For example, if you want to see the elevation on grid A, select it and click on this arrow to open. You can see now to see the title, you can see elevation on grid A. You can see we have three other visible views. You can see 3D, elevation 1 and elevation on grid A. These are the active views. For example, if you don't require this one, you can directly double click on it to move on other side like this, or you can directly you can select this plan and you can directly click on this arrow to open like this also. You can see this is the plan at 0. Otherwise, you can see also here, you can see currently we have active views are 3D and planet 0. You can click on here to view list to open, and for example, you are going to, these are the active views. You can see the active views are available here. For example, if you want to open 3D view, you can select it here from, you can see this arrow indicates the currently in the background view is the 3D view. For example, we're going to select here elevation along grid C. You can see the title elevation on grid C, and click on window, and here you can see this arrow indicates the active view here in the background. Okay, that's it about how to create views in Tekla structures, and the step-by-step process also available in this PDF. Please join my channel and I brought this PDF to you. Okay, thank you.